The Homeland Security solution sold by Enki allows to identify groups of individuals or isolated individuals at risk as well as areas at risk, and to anticipate malicious acts. The solution allows to carry out targeted and surgical preventive actions in order to eradicate any danger to the civil society of a country. Moreover, the solution has been designed to be an intelligent development environment which allows users who are not experts in BI, AI, or coding to use and configure it easily. When we start the supervisor, the home page offers us an overview of the crucial elements, alarms, action plan, and clusters. The cluster part is composed of 4 components that we will see in more detail later: position, follow-up, query 360 and cluster 360. The position window allows to observe the position of the clusters both in standard and in real time, thanks to the telecom data analysis. In our example we have 5 clusters in Riyadh: politicians, terrorists, hooligans, drug dealers and extremists. By clicking on a cluster, we can observe the alarms of the cluster as well as additional information, such as the cluster responsible, the estimated danger, the danger calculated by AI, the population density, the communication density, the financial density, the encounter density, and the accuracy of the analysis. The follow-up window allows to get details about the analysis axes related to the clusters: electricity consumption, water consumption, communication, etc. The Query 360 window will allow you to obtain all the information related to a citizen from a single data. In our example, with the citizen ID, we get all the other information over a period of time. This can also be done through face recognition. Here is a citizen, single, living in Jeddah named Sarah Khan and having the passport number I81003232. We also note that she has a bank account at the Saudi National Bank with a balance of 56,972 Riyal and belongs to 2 associations. Of course, the display of this information is customizable according to the customer's needs. We also have a burn list system to protect the information of sensitive people. Finally, the Cluster 360 window allows to see the members belonging to a cluster over a given period. Here, we notice that the terrorist cluster includes 10 individuals, male and female with different backgrounds. As for the Query 360, the display is fully customizable. During our navigation, the system noticed a change of behavior in the communication density of the terrorist cluster, and therefore launched an alarm displayed in the top right corner of the screen and in the Alarm tab. We also noticed that on the map the terrorist cluster previously displayed in green is now displayed in red. By clicking on the cluster you can also see the type of alarm. In our system the operator in charge has the possibility, after having received the details of the alarm, to ignore it or to confirm it. When the alarm is confirmed, the associated action plan is launched. An action plan is composed of phases and steps specific to the type of alarm and cluster. The transition from one step to another can be done manually or automatically depending on the task. There is also a specific color code for the progress of the action plan: green equals step completed, yellow equals step in progress, red equals step not started. The map also shows the progress of the alarm processing. Indeed, the terrorist cluster responsible for the alarm is now in yellow, which means that the action plan is in progress. Finally, when the action plan is completed, the cluster returns to its initial color of green. The system, threat, alarm, dedicated action plan allows a fast and efficient action, offering an improved reaction time and avoiding human errors. The supervisor also offers the possibility to observe the KPIs defined on different strata. This architecture stems from our methodology, providing strategic alignment between the strategic, business unit and operational layers. The KPIs are always structured in the following way: results, know-how and means, allowing to have a global and precise vision. This is possible thanks to the construction of the model on the engine. As explained at the beginning, the engine allows the configuration in a simple and intuitive way. The administration part allows you to configure users, create groups, assign roles, etc. But also to manage updates, logs, schedulers, etc. Cluster creation is possible in two ways, manually or through artificial intelligence. The manual configuration allows you to manually enter all the information related to the clusters as well as the cluster members. While the creation of the cluster by artificial intelligence offers a turnkey cluster, of course it is always possible to manually edit the clusters created by the artificial intelligence. Our solution contains other powerful features, running in the background, such as anomaly detection. Indeed, the artificial intelligence will perform behavioral analysis within clusters, in order to identify potential anomalies, such as banking or telecom nominees. In addition, the data to be processed is enormous. We have therefore developed our own ETL, allowing to use different types of data, data lake, flat file, databases, and auto-adaptive depending on the size of the data. Finally, it is also possible to integrate to the Homeland security solution, a system of drone and cameras running on our IoT boxes, allowing to automate some tasks, detection, identification, surveillance. The entire Enki team thanks you for your attention. We are at your disposal for any further information.